Hello everyone, in this video we are going to prepare and then install your Delta L sensor pack extensor. Before installing your sensor on site, you must first prepare it. Start by removing the cover of the Delta L using a PH1 Phillips screwdriver. Next, remove the battery, then connect it by plugging in the connector, making sure to align it correctly. There is no need to pay attention to the color of the wires. Carefully note the serial number indicated inside the sensor. You will need it to connect the sensor to the FEELBAT application. Then replace the cover, making sure to align the markers correctly. You can now install the connection cover. Replace the second connection cover with the one provided in the extensor pack. Next, insert the Delta L into the extensor cage. The threaded rods fit into the designated slot. Place the rings on each side of the sensor, then tighten them. Then install the springs. Before going to the worksite, add and configure your sensor in the FEELBAT application. Don't forget to activate Bluetooth on your phone. Please note, to add and activate a LimFill token and benefit from remote connection, you must be connected to the sensor via Bluetooth. You can refer to the dedicated video Add My LimFill Sensor, available on YouTube or via the link in the description. Your sensor is now connected and ready. Now, let's move on to installing your sensor on site. Start by drilling the first anchor point to a depth of about 6 centimeters using a 14 mm drill bit. Insert the ring anchor, then screw it in to secure it firmly into the support. Thread the extensor wire through the ring, then form a loop and secure it using the cable block. Attention! The cable block is only compatible with Dyneema wire. Tighten using a 2.5 mm Allen key. Next, drill the second anchor point, then insert the second ring anchor and tighten it firmly. Cut off the excess wire, leaving enough length to hang the sensor. Insert block 4 onto the wire, then attach the sensor by forming a loop, tightening it with a wrench. 2.5 mm Allen key. Finally, use the tension hook to tighten the sensor until it is positioned approximately halfway along its course. Before leaving the site, remember to reset the data from the FEELBAT app. Your Delta L pack extensor sensor is now connected, configured, prepared, and installed. Have a great mission!